guys, this doll here and welcome back to my channel. Basically gonna be a little get ready with me. It's Saturday night, so I'm going out with my girls. I'm about to reinstall my, I believe this is 28-inch deep curly. About to reinstall my deep curly wig. It's a frontal. And yeah, so we about to put this on. Let's get into it, honey. Yes, this is the 2 for 1, baby. I'm putting my wig on top of my feed-in braids. Cause why not? Don't act like y'all ain't never did this before. And y'all probably looking like, we ain't never did this before. I'm about to slick my baby hairs back. I'm about to do a little bit of the Got To Be glue gel with a little eco styler gel, and I'm just about to slick back these little baby hairs so they won't be coming up on me. Oh, but yeah, before we get all the way into this video, sis, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. We hit 500 subbies. We just hit 500 subbies, and so Road to 1K officially starts now. So y'all make sure y'all are subscribing and liking and commenting and turning on your post notifications so you don't miss nothing your girl posts. So those are all nice and slicked back. So now I'm just gonna blow dry it a little bit so they can stay stuck. Do it on the cool setting. As I am rushing, it's really late, but I do need to put my wig on because these braids is through, child. My freeze spray, because we're about to get ready to put the wig caps on. All right, y'all, so I am about to apply my wig caps. I got like the little beige ones. I got 2 of them. So, matter of fact, I need to take this bun out, and then we'll be able to do something. Pull this down a little far, like by right here, because I do not want this wig cap popping up on me, y'all. And then I'm about to do the other one by right there, so it could be extra curl, extra flat. Cut my ear flaps. So me and my friends, we're just about to get out the house and go to a little bar or something. So now I'm gonna spray my wig cap with my Got To Be glue freeze spray. I put like, I do 3 coats normally. So, and yes, we are doing the ball cap method. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray around my hairline. Alright, so that's the first coat, and I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer. I like to just do cool, but some people go back and forth, that's fine too. I honestly don't think it matters as long as you're doing blow drying it. All right, so that's pretty dry, so I'm gonna do the second coat. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna get ready to cut my wig cap. Cut it down the middle. So now I'm going to apply some makeup to my wig cap. Use cream today. Sometimes I use powder foundation, sometimes I use cream. It just depends on what I grab first. Get you a little foundation brush and dab it on there, and then just start putting it all across your wig cap. And if y'all were wondering what foundation stick this was, this is a black opal true color foundation stick, and this is in the color nutmeg. I'm gonna take my rubbing alcohol And I'm gonna take a cotton ball, and then I'm gonna put that alcohol on the cotton ball, and I'm just gonna clean that makeup and all that other extra stuff off. Wig, y'all, this is the wig. And I'm gonna have to put some water, a little water and conditioner on it, because I had to detangle it, so I drenched it in mousse. So it is it's a little crunchy right now, but it is really good hair. But that mousse just has it a little hard. So now it's time to put the wig on. This wig from Fayon Hair, though, y'all, I don't know if I already said that. I'll link their Instagram in my description box if you guys want to check them out. Their hair is really good. It's very affordable. So the construction of this wig, I have 2 clips here, 1 clip right here, and then I have adjustable snaps in the back. So I'm gonna put this on. Child, let me not burn the hair up, because it is the candle behind me. Alright, so my cap is actually aligned perfect with this. Yeah, this is actually perfect, so that's really good. I'm gonna just get a little clip so I can hold this hair back, like so. Then I'm gonna use some spray. I just actually picked this up from the beauty supply store today. I don't know how good it works. This will be my first time trying it. This is the Even New York Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray, Extra Firm Hold, Active. It says it is beautician's #1 choice. It's fast drying, no residue or buildup, and 10 times hold for lace. And this is how it looks. So let's try this out. I normally just apply my wigs with Got to Be glue and I'll be done. But today I decided to try something different. So I'm gonna try this. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do the top first. So it says blow dry until tacky. Let's blow dry this. Alright, so I'm gonna do one more layer. Go ahead and lay this down. All right, guys, so I've done my makeup. I am back. I was letting this sit while I did my makeup. It probably took about 20 minutes, so let's take this off so we can style because I'm hella late. Ooh, baby, this some pain. When this elastic band be around your head, that's some pain. All right, I'm gonna gently peel this off because I don't want to come off. All right. So she's nice and melted, honey. Okay, don't play with her. After I did my makeup, I went and put some water and some of this Cream of Nature coconut milk hydrating curling cream on my hair, just so it could soften up and loosen up a little bit, because that mousse did have it kind of crunchy. And I could wear her like this, just like straight to the back with my little baby hairs when I do them, but I don't know, I think I kind of want to style it. I think I want like a little, I kind of wanted a swoop. I don't know how I want to style it, but right now I'm just about to get my wax stick and hot comb it, the IKT wax stick. I'm gonna just mold this back down a little bit. Yeah, I think side part. So this is the area I'm really gonna mold down. So I'll put the wax right here. You did a good job, bitch. You did a good job. Pay who? Baby, I'm not paying nobody no more, period. I'm about to start doing my own installs. And that's just that on that. Alright, y'all, so honestly I think that's all I'm gonna do because I gotta go do my baby hairs real quick. Even though they really, I don't need to bother them because they actually look good just like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do them. Alright, so I'm about to put on my dress, y'all, and then I'm about to come back. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm getting ready to go because I'm running super late. So I just wanted to come on here and show y'all what I'm wearing. So I'm just wearing this little orange asymmetrical dress that I got from Pretty Little Thing. Sure, excuse my room, it's a mess, but I just wanted to show you guys really quick. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe, guys. That is going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.